is now gonna try it on.
He lives in Stockholm, city and bikes everywhere. All his cars are rented, so types on underwear. He's a dresser in a show, gay and vegan too. I hope the stories of his life will entertain you.
How do you do, Interwebers, and welcome to Stories of My Life. Oh, cut myself shaving. Anyway, it's Friday, Stockholm, Sweden. It's snowing madly outside, but I need to get on my bike. It's almost 5 o'clock. No, well, it's past 4 in the afternoon. I've been editing videos all day. I'm trying to eat healthy. My plan was to go on my cross trainer today, but I won't have time with this because I had to edit so much videos. And also I made a pizza salad because I'm going home to Ulf. We're going to have pizza, vegan pizza, which sort of, but I mean, to me, to lose weight, exercise, don't eat peanuts or snacks. So that's what I'm going to do for January. And then we'll see the next step. Also, I need to pick something up that I ordered, something fabulous. Join me. People, let's go out into the snow. I should say Merry Christmas, but I shan't. You know, because, yeah, Merry Winter. I mean, look at this. Where were you this... Oh, I wasn't here anyway in Christmas. Yeah, I'm going to take my bike. People, let's get what I want. But it looks like it's wrapped like it's a turkey. Well, this has been really hard biking, so I take this as my exercise today. Twice I have to stop and just walk because there was, snow to my knees. Guess who I found outside walking the dog? Ulf's favourite neighbour, Helene. And what's the name of the dog? Pollux. Hey, Pollux. Hey. He really loves my headphones because he thinks it's something good. Oh, and now there's an itch. There's an itch that needs to be scratched. Yes. Big dong. Oh. Hello? Is he out on the balcony? Or maybe he's trying to scare me. He doesn't know that I can see his reflection in that thing. No, I think he's out on the balcony. Maybe. Or maybe he's hiding. Is he under there? No, he's not. He's fallen asleep on the sofa. You didn't hear me. Hello. This is when I said it looked like a frozen turkey. This is what I got today. Ulf is going to open it later on. No, he doesn't even react. Oh, sorry. Started opening it right away. He's a good boy, he is. You forgot Ulf is sick. Or sort of, you got a cold, right? Yeah, Helena also got a cold. So far, we were the only one who hadn't got it. And Magnus and Martin. No, a lot of people haven't got it, but how are you? Any temperature?
No.
Just coughing?
Just thinking ahead.
Yeah, well that's normal, isn't it? Later on he's going to open some of his parcels. They look much nicer than this thing here. Oh, just rip it open. What is that, you say? Can you guess?
Jacket?
Could be.
Yes, it's a coat.
It's a coat. Oh, you need to try it on.
Yeah.
I think you have to get up to try it on. You can't do it lying down. Or do you want to try it lying down? Ulf is not going to get out of bed. He's going to try it lying down. H collaboration with ROKH, Rock, which is a Korean brand or designer, I guess. Ulf has now opened up all the buttons that are available to open up, I think. And he can't quite make up his mind what it is. So did you unbutton those buttons? He's now gonna try it on. He's still not quite sure what it is. Yes, nice. So people, I wanted to show you this snow, but oh, here you can see the snow. I thought there would be snow on all the trees. It's going to open a packet. What, do you know what's in it?
Yes.
What is it?
Something I won on an auction.
Oh, you were when you say won, you mean you paid the most?
I won the bidding at an auction.
Teeny tiny stuff. Is this my Christmas present?
No.
Wait. Don't you have these already?
No. I have those who have pains.
Oh,
These are...
isn't this the sort of...
They are getting dressed.
Oh!
Or undressed, I don't know.
I think they're kids, so getting dressed, I think we should say. Look what Ulf got. It's a kid dressing himself, and in his bathroom, 4 kids who all got pain. So, toothache, headache, stomach ache, earache. That's not all people. Ulf's got another thing coming. What? Is that from Selby?
No.
No. Oh. From cars. Oh. Oh. Not 1, not 2, not 3, possibly 4. 5.
4 t-shirts
Oh.
and 1 something else.
Oh. Maybe it's a present from Cos. Maybe they thought, you're such a good customer. We want to give you something.
Yeah, they should.
Yes. So it's a shirt.
It's a cardigan.
Oh,
Oh, yes, it's silk.
Oh. Silk cardigan.
Yeah.
Oh. You need to try it on. That's really nice. That's really nice.
Lovely.
Yes. I think this will solve all your problems.
Yes.
And he just walked out of the building. Now he's looking himself in the mirror. He's got this great mirror which sort of cuts off his head.
Yes.
So he sees...
Guess why it's cutting off my head?
Well, today's project is putting up the... He needs lights over his bed.
And new curtains.
And you... Oh, have you bought new curtains?
Wasn't you supposed to do that?
Oh, we'll now show off his new curtains. Oh, when were you to IKEA?
The day after.
No, I was at IKEA the day after. We were. The day after. Were you there 3 days in a row? Oh my God. The bedroom is going to go from this. Oh, the curtains from this to this. Here's the answer to the age-old question. How many people does it take to change a light bulb? Just 1, if he has all the time in the world. I told Ulf to put a piece of tape where he wanted the... No, I mean in the exact place. So we can sort of drill in it later.
Jag tar den här fram.
Nee, up. Oh, great. Let there be light. Pizza salad, vegan pizza, some sort of show on telly.
And bikes everywhere. All his clothes are vintage, except socks and underwear. He's a dresser